There's fire.
오!
Yeah.
오!
대구 아들.
What is next?
Next is Lapnes.
Lapnes?
Lapnes. Tanduay plus nasty.
Only nasty?
Oh, only nasty.
What flavor?
Nasty.
Apple?
Actually, any nasty. As long as nasty.
Why you're
Basically,
so nasty?
this is the most famous because it's the cheapest one.
So usually teenager
35. Teenager
drink this.
or those young people who just learned drinking.
When did you drink first time?
16.
16?
16. Because we could afford it. So this is just 30 and this is 10 or 11 peso. So one set
45?
40. 45. 45 peso including ice and water. So let's make it?
Let's make it!
Okay. So basically same. That's 1/3 or 3/4 liter of water.
1/3 and 3/4 totally different.
Sorry, 3/4 liter of water. And then this one here, we're gonna mix it so that it will really be mixed together with nasty. Drunken style. Wow! I feel good!
Already dry. Yeah? 재밌다 재밌다.
Not yet, not yet. Later. I will dance buduts later. Actually, nasty's taste depends on the person who mixed it. If you really mix it really good,
I think you are better than me.
no, you could do
You
better.
always
know-
mix, okay.
Oh, you try.
I never mix
Oh, you try. You try.
like this. Like this.
Very cute.
Like this.
No. Faster.
Okay.
Or you could also do like that. Mix it together with water here.
아, 또 얘.
Lighter. Paliwa, lighter. Lighter.
라이터.
Okay, it's okay. Maybe no more alcohol. Actually during night time it really looks cool. So many alcohol inside the bottle, and when you put lighter, when you light like this, oh, there's fire.
오!
Yeah.
오!
It's really cool in front of women, and during nighttime there's a flame inside the bottle, and like that. Women will really like it.
고수네. That's your game?
Oh, that's our game. Before, when I was a little, younger. So really mix it with water here. Okay, we'll just use spoon. This is really taste harder than Boracay. You could really feel the alcohol with this one. Spoon. And finally, ice it. Looks gorgeous. Ta-dang! And we have now Lapnes, ready to serve again. You try.
Lapnes.
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 Because ices, not so many.
상큼한 냄새가 난다.
Strong.
To me?
Not strong.
Oh, not strong.
Really? Because it's cocktail.
이거 술 맛이 안 난데. 완전 네치 맛인 것 같은데.
But for those first timer, they could taste alcohol. I'll just half.
왜?
Just half.
Why?
Because mixed together, really not good. But anyway, yeah. I'll take the challenge. Cheers!
따가이!
Did you feel that alcohol here?
응.
No? Because you're alcoholic.
그런 것 같다.
Alcohol flows in your body.
Maybe.
You try.
It smells better than before.
Better than Boracay? Tastes better as well?
I prefer this one to that one.
But still, I can feel.
right? You could feel alcohol at the last part.
난 모르겠던데.
Oh,
오,
새콤하다 얘가?
새콤한데. 진짜 좋다 이거. 딱 술안주 좋잖아, 맞지? 내가 무슨 말인 줄 알아?
모르겠어.
어.